Here's a shot of the covered pavilion. I assume we'd be hanging out here. Pretty nice. Got some tables, trash cans, fire pit. There's the shower house over there. I did go in there. They have hot water, 3 showers, bathrooms. Now, when I walked down to the shower house, I did see the lake peeking out of the woods, so if you were determined, I think you could get to the lake through the woods, but there doesn't appear to be like an official access point. Here's this monster grill. Huge grill. And a mosquito's trying to get me. Bring her off. Another fire pit over here on the ground. I think this looks like a nice site. It's definitely a possibility. The shower house is nice. I think see, we still got individual campsites sort of surrounding the circle, so you would set up, you know, wherever close to the pavilion. All right, thanks, y'all.